Not so far, because I understand that there are still works ongoing within the Italian government. As I said before, I had planned to meet the new minister, Mr. Salvini, in Luxembourg. He didn't come because he had some commitments in the Italian parliament, but I look forward to cooperating with him in the future, as I had already done with his colleagues before.